Wake ipwite purpose, today is our day. If a champion was onze a beginner. Don't wait for opportunities, create them. The only limit is the one ou set in our mind. Such doesn't come from comfort. Pain is temporary, but pride lasts forever. Keep going, even when it's hard. Winners focus on goals, losers focus on excuses. Every step forward, no matter of small matters. Dreams work only if you do. Turn our kant into evil. Believe in our grind, trust our process. Failure is not the end, it's a new beginning. Stay focused. Stay hungry. Stay humble. Don't stop when our terret, stop when our doene. Great things take time, stay patent. How we born to stand out, not fit in. Our mindset is our greatest weapon. Keep our yatig, our yard strong. One day our struggle will become our strength.